Hello students, welcome to Chapter 5. In this chapter, we're learning about ancient Egypt. So we're really going to start with how the first villages of ancient Egypt started, why they were so successful in farming, and then how the ancient Egyptian culture as we know it and their civilization formed. We're going to talk a little bit about government, religion, writing, the history of what happened there. Really, a lot like the study of every other civilization that we've studied so far, and what we're going to study for the rest of the school year. So we're going to be hitting up the other civilizations, but for now, Egypt. On the next page, you're going to see your vocabulary, followed by the vocabulary quiz. This is pretty standard. But after that, there's going to be instructions for your Egypt project. So this chapter is going to be a little different from the other chapters in that instead of doing a test, you're going to have a project instead. And I'll give you a couple days to work on that, but I'm giving you instructions here on the first day so you can work on it as you go through the chapter. So maybe read about lesson 1, take the lesson 1 assignment, work a little bit on your project, and then we'll do the same thing for the rest of the chapter. Now, because there's no test, then there's no test review day. Instead, you'll just have a day to work solely on the project. But I wouldn't recommend waiting to the last minute to do it. Spread it out over the course of the chapter. There's going to be 3 different options, and when you get to the instructions page, you can read all about the 3 different options that you have for the project. One of them is basically a presentation on mummification. One is a paper on a pharaoh of your choice. Another one is sort of a poster or a presentation on different aspects of Egyptian culture. But all of them will require you to do research on the internet, and I actually provided links as well as rubrics for each project. So that's how this is going to look. That project is going to be due, when did I have it? Due the 10th of November. So you've got some time to work on it. That's what we have for today. Like I said, next page is standard vocab followed by a vocab quiz, and then you can go ahead and take a look at the different project options and get started if you choose to. Otherwise, tomorrow we're going to move into lesson 1. And don't forget, you're going to have time to work on this project, but spread it out. Alright, if you have any questions or have any concerns, as always, feel free to contact me. Otherwise, have a wonderful day.